Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to perform software set for your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i. So firstly we need to turn off the speaker. At the top of your speaker we have a power button. You need to just press and hold it. We turn on it. Now the speaker disconnected from the phone. You can check it in the settings. There's, as you can see, no connection. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices or Media Devices to Save Devices. But it also depends, because let's say on Realme, under your device, you have information in use when it connected and no information when it disconnected. So maybe you have a similar path to check it. After that, we need to turn on the speaker, so press and hold power button again. And the speaker reconnect with your phone. And with this method, you can fix a lot of small and sometimes big trouble with your speaker. Also, sometimes it happened with all devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically. Rarely, but it happened. Then go to the Bluetooth for connected devices and tap at your device. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!